On August 22, 2019, a solemn meeting of the business community was held in the capital of Ukraine, Kiev, as part of the image program of the leaders of the 21st century. The event was dedicated to the 28th anniversary of the independence of Ukraine. In the state residence of Malyi Mariyinsky Palace, the Assembly of Business Circles of Ukraine has summarized results of the economic activities of enterprises and individuals, which are the powerful drivers of our country's economy. The TechEnergoProm group once again was appreciated for significant contribution to the development of the country's economy. Vadim Savushkin, the president of the TechEnergoProm group, has been awarded the Order Leader of Ukraine by decision of the Presidium of the Assembly of Business Circles. TechEnergoProm Group delivers metal rolling for special purposes from leading manufacturers in Ukraine, Europe and the CIS countries, provides engineering services for track-top structure. The TechEnergoProm Group implemented a number of projects that contributed to the improvement the cities Kiev, Lviv, Dnipro, Kharkov, Zhytomyr. In particular, we are talking about replacing the rail in these cities. Numerous awards at the Assembly of Ukrainian Business Circles confirm the impeccable reputation of the holding and its desire to serve the interests of the Ukrainian people. The TechEnergoProm Group's activities will continue to be aimed at confirming a high rank of leader.